How to install Facebook for Android app. To install Facebook for Android app, you can follow these steps. On your Android device, go to the Google Play Store app and search for Facebook. You can also use this link superscript 2 to access the app page directly. Tap on the install button and wait for the app to download and install on your device. You may need to grant some permissions for the app to function properly. Once the app is installed, you can open it and sign in with your Facebook account or create a new one if you don't have one. To use Facebook for Android app on supported platforms, you need to have an Android device that runs on Android 6.0 or greater and a Facebook account. You can use the app to do various things, such as connect with your friends, family, and communities by posting, commenting, liking, and sharing content on your feed and stories. Discover and join groups that match your interests, hobbies, or goals. Watch videos, reels, and live streams from your favorite creators, celebrities, and media outlets. Shop for products, services, and experiences from local businesses and sellers on Marketplace. Play games, chat, and make video calls with your contacts on Messenger. Explore and create reels, short videos. Entertainment. Access other Facebook apps and services, such as Instagram, WhatsApp, Oculus, and more. You can find more information and tips on how to use Facebook for Android app on the web search results. Now check out 1. Facebook apps on Google Play. https://play.google.com/store/apps/details, ID equals com facebook.katana. 2. What operating systems are supported by the Facebook app? https://www.facebook.com/help/4530565140314947